Alright, got the flagstone up on site. Had a little bit of a dicey time getting that off the truck. Tad bit heavy. Take a look at the replay.
Running heavy equipment and lifting heavy things should be left to the professionals. Please do not try this at home.
This is part 3 in the series of videos on this project. If you have not seen the previous videos, please be sure to go and check them out after you finish watching this one. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click that bell for notifications. Be very, very quiet. We are witnessing a Ford F-550 in its natural habitat during the very early spring season here in central Pennsylvania. We, in the landscape construction industry, like to refer to this season as the killer of productive man hours. Here we are pouring concrete pads to house the pool equipment and filtration system for the soak pool. Here we are beginning the excavation process and preparing the soil for our patio base installation.
Alright, well, you're not going to believe this, but we got deadlines to hit. They got me out here working hard.
Now we are beginning to lay the flagstone walkway in between the natural stone steps that lead from the driveway up to the soon-to-be-laid flagstone patio and soak pool area.
Well, I'm the best.
You're the best?
That's right.
Okay.
I'm serious.
I know.
I'll work circles around y'all.
Got the steps in and the walkway going up. Edgecrete's in. Got a easy joint this bad boy. That'll be ready to go. Now we're working on laying the patio. It's the Ryan, Berto, Eric over there, and Wesley finishing the coping up on the soak pool. Looking beautiful.
I did all that tile work.
Got it! Got it!
Like me.
Oh, yeah?
That's right.
Okay.
Okay? So I'll see you tomorrow with my tools.
Almost forgot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.
Boochie, boochie.